guys, what's up? What's going on, guys? Hoping you're doing fine like I am here. So in today's video, I want to be giving you 10 legit online jobs that pay so well. These are the only legit jobs right now that are paying well, and beware of scammers. There are so many scammers online, so you guys don't get cheated on. If anyone asks you to pay money for any kind of job, be it online jobs or offline jobs, please don't engage that box. Anyway, without wasting time, let's get straight into the video. Before we begin, you guys need to like this video because it's going to be very short and so informative. So give it a like so that I'll know that you enjoy this kind of videos, so that I'll do more often, okay? So the first online job that pays really well is online writing. Wow, guys, in case you've not discovered this, you need to do online writing if you want money. But remember, you have to really work hard. If you ask those guys who do online writing, they're going to tell you, guys, it takes a lot of effort and a lot of hard work. But if you want to succeed with online writing, you need to look for a trainer. That is, if you've never ever tried it, look for someone who will train you. You can get so many trainers, especially online. But of course, beware of scammers. Yeah, I think once you're trained, you will be good to go. Because if you try to do it alone, it's so hard to figure out the spaces, you know. So just look for someone to train you. And a good group in Facebook that can train you is Awesome Transcribers, Awesome Writers, something of that sort. Just go and look for that group in Facebook, and you'll get so many people who are willing to help you. Another online legit job is blogging. I know you've heard of this, but you guys, blogging is so underestimated. If you get into blogging and you get so serious with it, especially if you do news gossips, people love to see gossip, people love to hear celebrity gossips. Those are the kind of blogs that do so well. But you can also blog about lifestyle, you know, health and fitness. Look for a niche that is doing so well, you know. There are some niches that if you try, you're going to fail. So you need to know a niche that is doing well right now. The third online job that you can do is doing online surveys. I have done so many videos about this, so I hope you guys can check my other videos for more information. These are sites that you get to be asked questions and then you do them, but you cannot rely on surveys for a living. No, you can rely on online writing for a living, but for surveys you can't. You need to look for something else to do. So surveys are just a side hustle. Fourth online job you can do is transcription. I've given 10 websites that are good for beginners who want to transcribe. So you guys just check. I'll put the link in the description of this video. If you want to do transcription, you can check the link. And also, transcription are good jobs, but you also need a lot of time and commitment if you want to make it a full-time job. This is something that you can rely on. Like, you can make it your full-time job and you can earn so much money if you get serious with it. You can also look for trainers in that same Facebook group. The fifth online job that pays really well is social media influencing. This one is so underestimated. What you need to do is to get into social media and build your brand. Like, build it so much. Take your time. You don't have to, you know, you don't get these riches overnight. Take your time and build your brand. After some time, you're going to get so many followers, and that's it. You'll start making money from brands, from sponsors. Just try this thing, you know. Sixth online job that you can make money with is starting a YouTube channel like me. If you get serious with your YouTube channel, you can earn so much money. All you need is a smartphone. As long as you have a smartphone, guys, start a channel. I have done a video on how to start a YouTube channel. I'll put the link also in the description box. But you guys, you can make so much money with YouTube. Just give it a try. Give it a try, guys. The seventh way you can make money online is through forex trading or cryptocurrency trading. This one is so good if only you're an expert. Don't go there to risk Do not risk. If you're not an expert, just look for people with experience to train you, because you don't waste your money and your time. You know, some of these things, they are good. You can make money with them, but you need to be an expert of them. And also, there are so many scammers, so you got to be aware of scammers when doing online jobs. 8 way you can make money online is through web design, graphic design, app development, all those things. If you're good at IT, I know this one is for people who love computer and IT, but you can also train yourself, you know. If you're good at that, try making money with web design. Just practice first, and then go to apps like Fiverr. Look for gigs there. There are so many sites you can go. Look for gigs. People are willing to pay you to design webs for them, or apps, or just anything. In case you have that knowledge, just go to those sites. You're going to get so many you're going to get so many jobs there. Don't sleep on your talent, guys. Number 9 way you can make money online is through writing articles. If you're good at writing articles, try this one. You can advertise yourself even in Facebook groups. Just network, guys. You need to network if you need to make money online, because in these times, people are making so much money online. You don't want to be left out, okay? The 10th way you can make money online is through affiliate marketing. Guys, this one is so underrated. If you have many followers, maybe in Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp, wherever, whichever social media you are, I don't know what you're using those followers for, but it's time to use them to affiliate market. That is, you go to brands and then sell their products to your people, to your followers, and get a commission. That's all about affiliate marketing. But I have done so many videos on this, so you guys can check my other videos on how to make money to understand all what I've spoken about. So don't forget to like this video, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and ask them. I'll be answering all of them as always. Remember to subscribe so that you won't miss on my next videos, okay? And you can watch my other videos in the meantime, guys. Until next time, bye!